then you have to put all those screws together and put the battery in. Put all the screws together and put the battery in the right direction, because this one is the minus, this one is the plus. You have to be, you know, right, otherwise it may damage something in your meter. Now look, it's working. So it's not showing anything bad, it's just, you know, you have cleaned the contacts and now it's making a better contact, and yeah, your measurement is now a bit more accurate, I guess, because back then it's showing some funny results in the continuity section right here, and now look, it's not, no, not at all. You can dangle it, but it's not changing. Now it's right. You can see the probe resistance, it's about 1 point, 2 or something. Yeah, now it's okay. Now you have to put everything together. You have to put this together and it should just clip right in, I guess. So, yeah, it's not clipping, but it's in there, and you have to put all the screws again and screw it up. Yeah, it's working. Thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed, yeah, please hit the like, and if you want more, then let me know in the comments. Okay, bye, peace.